My husband is just finishing up the GenStone. We absolutely love it. Our home is black brick and we're having it repainted all taupe, soffit fascia and downspouts with a fireweed paint, and I thought that color would look just so pretty. It's got some like little rust tones. It also is going to match the garage. Easy to put up. Make sure that you stagger the seams, and show you over here. It's just finishing up here. We're going to wrap around the porch. One tip he had was, because there's no way to nail it down at the bottom until the glue dries, he came up with a little system to put nails in, and so then that pushes the rock in until the glue sets up. So pounding it in, making sure that the glue's in, and then he's going to go ahead and put that little nail in there just to secure it. He'll pull those out tomorrow after it dries. But we're just wrapping it around the corner here to the front door, and it's going to really add a beautiful enhancement to our home. So thank you for advertising it, and we love the product. And like I said, that we're getting ready to have our house repainted, and we're going to put shutters up and such. So thank you. Oh, one other thing he wanted me to video. What is that? Oh, how he's drilling in. Pre-drilling the holes. And then he's going ahead and put the nails in now. So, thank you.